Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Balance and I'm gonna show you how to change these straps on this watch. To change these straps, first we need to remove the old ones, and to do it, grab your watch, flip it around, and on the back of the watch you will see that on each strap we have this quick release system. Basically how it works is you need to pull on this pin or lever to release the strap. So let's try to release one. I'm gonna pull on it. It's kinda hard to access on this watch. Usually it's more accessible, but on this watch it's a bit hard if you don't have long fingernails, so it's gonna be a little bit of struggle. And to basically release it, you need to pull it towards the middle of the strap, and it's gonna release the strap. So let's try to do it. Like I said, it's gonna be a little bit of struggle. Maybe I'm gonna use something like a pin. I had something here, yeah. Give me a second. I'm gonna grab this SIM eject tool and I'm gonna use it to pull the pin. So we can pull on the pin. And then it will release the strap. We can do the same for the second one. So pull on the pin and release the strap. This one is also a bit rough when it comes to working. It's not working very well. It's just like super tough to pull on. I don't know why they did it like that, but it is what it is. Anyway, here we have our straps and our watch. And once you remove these old straps and you have a new ones, you can simply put them back on by, again, it's gonna be a little bit of struggle, but you need to put the end farther away from the quick release system, from the lever, into a hole on your watch. Like this. And once you put the other end into a hole, you need to align this side a little bit, like this. Oh, let me fix it, like this. And then you need to pull on this lever to retract the pin and then insert it into another hole on the other side. So I'm gonna try to pull it. As you can see, it retracted. Now we can try to align it. It's gonna be a bit of a struggle, like I said before, but once it clicks in, it should hold. Okay, let's do the other one. So put the one end into a hole, align it a little so it's like close to the other side, pull the pin and try to align it with the hole. It's gonna click in, and once it does, it should hold. And that's how you change the straps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.